Hey, welcome. Listen, guys, I'm about to show you guys the most powerful way to change your life and make some serious income in 2024. And basically, no skills, no talent is required. If you can just follow some simple instructions, we can show you how to change your life and take action. Taking action is the most important part. We can all change our lives in 2024. So, what I want to do is I want to share a company with you guys, and this company is called Nexus Rewards. But before I do that, I want to show you a proven system. The proven system that we got this example from is from a company called Live Good. And what Live Good did is actually they put close to 1 million people. At the time it says 820,000 people joined in over 10 months, but at the end of 12 months they had over 993,000 people join, and this was in 2023. The difference is they were selling nutritional products, right? But what we loved about it is because the people who joined in January of 2023, by December of 2023, there were a lot of people earning over $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month because of the way they paid. And one of the things that stood out is because they had a $50 entry fee, and it was only $9.95 per month monthly fee, which is very affordable. The entry fee was affordable for everybody, and the monthly fee was affordable for everyone. But we're not getting in Live Good. We just wanted to show you guys that they had a system that broke the records in network marketing. Now, the company we're sharing with you today is called Nexus Rewards. And basically, people are going to say, well, what am I getting? What are we getting? Why are we doing this? And here's why. It's basically a savings club, right? Nexus Rewards is a benefit saving portal. You know, they have different type of promotions like buy $30, get $30 free cashback promotion. You're going to save 67% on Zoom, 500 seat rooms, 40% on movie, concert, museum, theme parks, things that you do all the time anyway. You're going to save up to 70% on shopping, up to 70% on electronics, 75% on hotels and travels, right? So these are things that you're going to do. And in addition to that, you're going to also have bill reduction. How many people pay bills? How would you like to have them negotiate and lower your phone, internet, heating, electric bills, and more that you pay? Cash back on gasoline, 15 cents, 30 cents, 60 cents, $1 and more per gallon savings. Up to 25% cash backs on groceries, everybody eats, 90% on prescription medication, 40% on dining, and up to $1,746 on automobile insurance. And also hundreds of dollars saved on homeowners and renters insurance. All right, so I just want you guys to understand that, you know, this is not a Ponzi scheme. You're actually going to get a service for doing what we're doing. But the main reason why we want to share this with you is because, to me, this is the greatest money grab in 2024. If you really pay attention, the first thing that stood out is that there's no selling, right? We're just joining a savings club and we're going to save. Unlike the other company I was sharing with you, those guys got in and it was all about selling. We believe we're going to break their records because nobody's selling anything. We're just taking a position and we're all saving money. So that's why we believe we're going to surpass those numbers. Now, I want to show you guys some simple instructions. If you can follow these instructions, we can show you guys how to make 2024 a better year. Number one, join. Join for $50 one time and stay active for $9.95 per month. That's very key, right? So you've got to stay active, because if you're not active, you can't receive any commissions or any checks. Number two, personally refer 3 members who wants to earn $2,000 to $5,000 a month in the next 6 months or less. And I believe that when I share these numbers with you, you'll agree with me. And number 3, just teach your 3 referrals how to follow step 1 and 2. It's so simple, guys. Just join for $50, stay active for $9.95 a month. Everybody can afford $10 per month. And this is a $10 a month program. So when you see these numbers, just keep in mind, every person just have to maintain their $10 a month status. And just personally refer 3 people who want to just change their lives and earn more money in 2024. Now, one of the reasons why is this company has what's called a 3x10 force matrix. And basically, to put it short, any person who joins after you, they're going to fall in your network, and you're going to earn off of anyone who enters the savings club, whether if you brought them in or not. So think about this. It's called a force matrix. So all the people who joined before you are forced to bring members in and put those members in your network and help you get paid. So this is a 10-level matrix. So if you refer no one, when we fill this matrix up, you can earn over $2,460 per month. If you decide to refer one personal or just bring one person in, when our matrix fills, you're going to earn over $7,300 per month. And if you were like me, my eyes went straight to the right. You know, just refer 5 personal sponsored people, and you're going to earn over $22,143 per month. I believe this can be done in 3 months or less. And the reason why is in this 3x10 matrix, if you just refer 3, if it took you a week to refer 3, right? 3 in the first week, and those people come in and they refer 3 members to the Savings Club. Week 2, we'll fill up that second row, and those members refer 3, week 3, and so on. So in 10 weeks, right, 2.5 months, we can actually fill this matrix up. So I want you to really pay attention to these numbers, because there's other ways we're getting paid, but this is a residual income. We're going to get paid over and over for setting something up one time. Now here's the challenge. You know, a lot of people see this or they hear this and they think that, you know, oh, you know, this is a scam, or I don't know if I want to do this or not. But I'm going to offer you a challenge. I challenge you to join, refer 3. And let's use this calendar as an example. Let's say you join this week here, right, on that Sunday. Well, the pay period, this company pays weekly. So if you join, let's say that Sunday or that Monday or that Tuesday, it doesn't matter. On the 9th, that Friday, the pay period will end and you will get paid that following Friday. So it takes me less than 14 days to show you that this is real. See, one thing I love about this is I can show you that this works, but you can't show me it doesn't work if you just follow the instructions. If you refer 3, I can show you in less than 14 days that what we're sharing with you is legitimate. So here's what's going to happen. When you refer those 3 and you join for $50, that's the first thing you have to do. You can't win if you're not in, all right? Number 2, you have to personally enroll people. All right, so basically, remember, there's no selling. When people say, well, what do you want me to do? Well, I want you to save on things that you're already doing. How many people say, well, no, I'd rather pay full price? No one ever says that. So I'm just going to show you how to join a savings club like a Sam's Club or a Costco. But this is an online worldwide savings club. It just happens that Sam's Club and Costco doesn't pay us any commissions. This company will, and that's why we're participating. We're leveraging this savings club to earn some significant income in 2024. Number 3, you're going to get paid the following Friday. So the challenge is refer 3. You know, don't just say I don't believe this or I don't think it'll work. Refer 3 and then you see for yourself. Don't listen to the guy next to you, because they always say if you buy a person's opinion, you buy their lifestyle. So listen, look at the people who are telling you this won't work, and then just look at what they're doing for a living. And if not this, ask them then what else. All right, so here's what's going to happen. If you listen to what we're sharing with you, when you refer 3, you're going to earn 50% commission. So when people enroll for $50, you're going to earn $25 per person. So the 3 that you enroll, you're going to earn $75. They're going to automatically deduct $9.95 for your next month payment for being in the club. Remember, it's $9.95 per month. That's going to leave your first check at $65.05. If you subtract the $3 bank fee for sending you your money, you're going to earn $62.05 on your first check. So this is the believability check. So what we're trying to show you here is if you don't believe this works, refer 3. And if by the next Friday, your check is $62.05, just like I said, then you can go crazy, right? Because what they say, documentation always beats conversation. So a person can sit there all day and say, hey, you know, I don't think this will work. And you can come right behind and show them some documentation. So all we want you to do first is to show you that this works, so that that believability can set in and then you can go crazy. Now, here's what I want to also show you guys. Join today for $50. The number one reason why people fail in life is procrastination, right? Analyzing, what they say, analyzation, to just, you know, look around and you're trying to figure this out, you're trying to figure that out. We've already figured it out. Join today, not tomorrow, for $50. After that, find 3 serious people who just want more in 2024. Now, we're going to save money, and that's cool, but this video is showing you guys how to create a $2,000 to $5,000 a month income in the next 90 to 120 days. Number 3, share this video and send your referral link. All right, so we have another video. It's a 41-minute webinar. It goes into deep details. But for duplication, it has to be simple. It has to be something that everyone can do. Everyone can share this video. And this is all I do. I share this video, and then I send my link. And then I tell people, can you share this video? It's that simple. Share this video, send your link, sign up, and we duplicate. And number 4, share your proven results to others. Because here's the deal. People are going to say, well, when you get paid, then I'll do it. You say, okay, well, look, I wanted you to be one of my first 3, but if not, I'll go and help 3 other people. I'll get paid, and then I'll come back to you, right? But timing is everything with this. Now, one thing I can tell you guys is I have a history of building networks. And here's an example. You know, I started off with a small group, and then that group started to grow. And that's what building networks is. Just showing people how to change their lives, right? And look at how that group continuously grew. Over and over and over, more people. See, once people start making money, then they stop doubting you, and they start rolling with you. And that's all we're trying to tell you guys. The group just got bigger and bigger and bigger. We had to change locations because we were outgrowing locations. And finally, we were doing presentations in warehouses. So what I want you guys to understand is this. I can show you guys with this company, Nexus Rewards, how we can fill up this force matrix, how we can share an opportunity with people to change our lives. This is just basically a video to just pique your interest, right? Timing is everything. Everyone who joins after you, your time is time stamped. Anyone who joins after you will fall into your network. We're going to build this matrix, and we're going to build it fast, right? As a matter of fact, this company just launched this year in January of this year, and they're predicting over 1 million people will be in this company by the end of 2024. So what we're telling you guys, get positioned, look at our proven system. Let's go for that. Me personally, I'm going for the $22,000 a month in 6 months or less. Basically following 3 steps. Join for $50, show 3 people how to enroll, and duplicate. That's it. Show this video, send your link. And then after you enroll, watch the 41-minute webinar, because it breaks everything down into details. You'll understand why everything clicks the way it clicks. So with that being said, don't waste no time. Get to the person who invited you, sign up, get started, and let's grow. 2024, let's do it.